Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and guess what? Our booth is going to be in Mesa, Arizona, March 7th and 8th at the Rubber Stamp Events Show. We are so excited because we love Mesa. It's such a nice area, and we just love Arizona. It's usually nice and warm. That's exciting. We're going to have all of our brand new products. We're going to have all of our new fun stuff, and club members, of course, you're going to get the club discount in the booth. Hello, doesn't it get better than that? I don't think it does. Now come see us March 7th and 8th, and we are going to have a blast. We'll see you there. Bye-bye.